Welcome to Shrima Vidyalaya. My name is Sarah Matre. Students can call me Sarah teacher. Students, do you like stories? Even I like stories. I hope you do too. Would you like to hear one today? Let's hear a story about a clever crow. Let me ask you something about a crow before we start. What is crow? A crow is a bird. He is black in color and you can find him almost everywhere. I have prepared a paper crow to help you tell my story.
One hot day, a crow was very thirsty. He looked for water here and there, but all the pools and ponds were dry. He kept looking for water here and there. After a long time, he saw one pot. He flew and sat on the pot. He peeped into the pot to find very little water in the pot. He tried to drink the water, but he could not reach it. He was a clever crow. He thought of a plan. He picked up some stones and pebbles one by one and dropped them into the pot. He kept on doing so several times and the water level rose slowly. After multiple tries, the water level was enough for the crow to reach and drink the water from the pot. So, children, finally the crow managed to drink the water from the pot and flew away happily. Children, I will explain some words which we use in our story. Hot day. What do you mean by a hot day? Yes, when we go out during afternoon, we feel hot because of the sun. Next is thirsty. What happens when you feel thirsty? When one is thirsty, you feel like drinking lots of water or juice. This happens because the water level in your body is low. Now, next word is pond. What do you mean by a pond? Pond is a place where a lot of water is stored. You can also call it a big hole which is dug in the ground to store water. Next is a pot. What is a pot? A pot is a utensil made of a plastic, steel or mud. It is used to either store water or some grain. Next is peep. What do you mean by peep? Looking into something known as peeping. Clever. What do you mean by clever? Clever means someone who is intelligent. Next is plan. What do you mean by a plan? Yes, it is a preparation for achieving something. Children, now I will demonstrate a small activity to show how the water rises by using the following material. One transparent cup, preferably plastic, some water and some stones or pebbles. If interested, parents can also show this activity at home. Fill some water in an empty glass and place it on a table. Mark the level of the water by a sketch pen or a marker. This will show you the water level before adding the stones. Add the stones one by one. Children, can you see the water level rising? It's like a magic. Children, once you have finished putting all the stones in the cup, you can mark the final water level after adding the stones. This shows that the stones occupy the space in the cup, making the water level to rise. Let me ask you a few questions from the story. How did the crow reach the pot? Did he walk to the pot? No. Did he jump to the pot? No. Or did he flew to the pot? Yes, correct. As you know, birds fly. The correct answer is the crow flew to the pot. How did the crow put the stones in the pot? Did he kick the stones like a football? No. Did he blow like a balloon? No. Or did he pick the stones and drop it in the pot? Yes, correct. He used his mouth to pick the stone. Do you know? The mouth of all the birds is called a beak. They always use their beak to eat and drink. These are some more questions for your practice. Thank you students for watching the video. I hope this was fun as well as we enjoyed our small activity. See you next time.